We are continuing the vocabulary of how to talk about what goes on. So welcome to the Word Power Made Easy, and we are going to discuss about the session number 43. And in continuation with the previous session of 42, let us discuss little bit more about the word, the spelling that we are using in session number 42. For example, more than fatigue. So the Latin word nervous means nerve. So enervation is not just a fatigue, but it is a complete tiredness, which is three types of: mentally tired, when you are mentally tired, when you are physically tired, and you are morally also tired. Then you can use the word enervate. Energy is derived from the prefix. Prefix means beginning of the spelling. So en, ener, here en means energy. And ergon, ergon means work. So erg is the term. So in physics, when you are measuring the how much work is done, you have to work in erg. Synergism is a physics syn. Syn means work together or with. And ergon also means work, or is the process by which two or more substances or drug are coming together. So synergy means alternate form of synergism. Verbal punishment, Latin word castigate means to punish. So generally castigate is used for verbal punishment, not physical punishment but verbal punishment, usually harsh and severe criticism. So it is a stronger word than scold or reprimand or berate. So now, but it is very near to these four words. So rail at, slash at, lash at, or tongueless. Can you construct a noun of castigate? The noun of castigate is castigator. Saying no to oneself. So Latin word ad means away and nego means deny. So self-abnegation means self-denial. To negate means to deny the truth of existence. For example, atheists deny the God. Heads and headings, Latin word caput or captis means head. So captain is the head of the group, and capital is the head city of the state or nation, and decapitate means to chop off someone's head. Now here is the word and there is a meaning is given, so you have to match with it. For example, enervation. Enervation means utter exhaustion, mental, emotional and physical drain. Energism or synergy. Synergism means surrender. Third, castigation means tongue lashing or reprimand or rant out or scold someone. Self-abnegation. Self-abnegation means self-denial or self-sacrifice. Negation. Negation means denial or destructions. Decapitation. Decapitation means a lopping of one's head or chopping off or cut off. Recapitulation. Recapitulation means summary, review of main points or abstract, or you can say brief. Capitulation. Capitulation means number 8, working together for great effect. I think the first word synergy, the correct answer is here. Synergy means working together for the great effect. Enervating or refreshing. Enervating means tiring and refreshing means to fresh up. So it is an opposite word. Synergistic. Synergistic means coming together for the betterment, and neutralizing means you are finishing each other. So it is opposite. Castigation means to scold someone. so it is same. Self-abnegation or self-sacrifice, and egoism is just opposite to self-abnegation, so opposite. Negate means to deny or accept, so it is an opposite. Decapitate means to chop up someone's head, so and behead is to chop up someone's head. Recapitulatory or summarizing, so it is same. Capitulate means to resist. Capitulate means surrender. In the previous matching there is little bit small mistake, but you understand capitulate means surrender and resist means not to surrender but showing the resistance, so it is an opposite. Can you recall the words? To give in, to give in, that means to capitulate. Working together for greater effect, it is synergistic. Total fatigue, total fatigue means enervation. Number 3, enervation, for the purpose of summarizing or review, so it is known as recapitulatory. Self-denial, so it is self-negation. Deny means negate. Process by which two or more substances produces a greater effect than it is synergism. To cut off it is decapitate. To strong censure or reprimand is castigate. To surrender means capitulate. So here we are ending session number 43. I am going to put the PDF in the description box. Kindly download it and practice on the PDF itself. And now we are going to see the session number 44 in the series of what is going on kind of vocab in the previous video. So bye bye. See you again in session number 44.